How to remove artifacts in Claude AI. Quick fix: are you seeing artifacts cluttering your Claude AI responses and want them gone? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to remove them fast. Welcome back. Artifacts are the separate visual panels Claude uses to display code, documents, and previews alongside your conversation. Super useful sometimes, but not always. Here is how to remove them. First, click the X button at the top right corner of the artifact panel. This instantly closes it and returns you to a clean full-width conversation view without losing anything from your chat history. Second, if you want Claude to stop generating artifacts completely, just tell it directly. Type something like, "Please respond in plain text only without artifacts," and Claude will follow that instruction for the rest of your conversation. Third, go into your Claude AI settings by clicking your profile icon. Inside Settings, look for Feature Preferences, where you can adjust how and when artifacts appear across all your future conversations. Fourth, for a completely fresh start with no artifacts at all, simply begin a brand new conversation. New chats always start clean with zero formatting carried over from previous sessions. Pro tip: be proactive rather than reactive. Start your prompts with in plain text whenever you know you want simple responses. Setting that expectation up front saves you the trouble of removing artifacts after the fact. So to recap, hit the X to close, tell Claude to skip artifacts, adjust your settings, or start fresh. Simple, fast, and effective. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more Claude AI tips, and comment below: do you prefer responses with or without artifacts? See you in the next one.